One of the neat things about trigonometry and the ratios is the fact that the ratios are consistent. The size of the triangle doesn't matter. So, I drew up an example here with colors to try and make the point. Here I've got an angle, angle A. It's the same for all of these triangles. So angle A doesn't change. But the size of the triangle does. So my smallest triangle, this one here, that I used a black line for, this line being half an inch, this line being 1 inch, and yes, I know it's not an inch, I blew it up to make it a useful diagram. If I made it in little inches, you wouldn't see it. So, 0.5 inches, 1 inch. So the tangent ratio for A would be opposite over adjacent. 0.5 divided by 1 is 0.5. So the tangent of angle A for this small triangle is 0.5. Well, let's make the triangle bigger, but it's still angle A, it's the same angle. So looking at one of the orange, this side is 0.8, this side is 1.6. The ratio, the tangent ratio is opposite over adjacent, or 0.8 over 1.6, which is also 0.5. Two different sized triangles, but the angle is the same. The last triangle, the biggest one, on the outside is blue. 1.2 inches for this side, 2.4 for this side. Tangent of A, opposite over adjacent, 1.2 over 2.4 is also 0.5. So it doesn't matter how big or small the triangle is. That size doesn't matter. For any angle, no matter how big that right angle triangle gets, you'll always have the same ratio for that angle. So the tangent ratio for this angle will always be 0.5. If this line went out to Toronto from here, and this corresponding line went out so you had a right angle triangle, you would still have a ratio of 0.5. The ratios don't change for any given angle.